In this video, we're going to be talking about lookups and lookup tables and how those are used in OIC, in Oracle Integration Cloud. So in this instance, a lookup is just a variable, if you like, that is used across multiple applications that you want to have different values for, but and then they're represented in a different way in the application, but for it also to describe the same specific thing. So it's a data point that is constant and static throughout all of your applications, but under different descriptions or wording. So you can create lookup tables to keep track of these lookups and then see how they're mapped between your applications. So an example of what you might use a lookup for is a country code. So in different apps, you might have the same country, so it's constant and static. It's the same country but expressed in a slightly different way. So take the United Kingdom, for example. In one app, you might want that to be written out in full. So United Kingdom all spelt out with every character. But then in a different app, you might want just the letters UK, the initials. Or you might want to say Britain in a different application, but you still want it to be the same data point. So I'm going to show you what that looks like now in Oracle Integration Cloud. You see the screen here. You go into integrations and then lookups. We'll take you to this screen. And we're going to create a new lookup. Uh, and we're going to create a lookup that is going to map country codes between some applications. So we're just going to call this lookup table. And you can do a description as well if you want, but we're not going to do that. We never do descriptions on this channel. And then we are going to map some adapters to these column headings here. So we're going to map between some applications called Eloqua, HCM, and Right Now. So we're going to click on Eloqua adapter here, and then these adapters will appear in the column headings of our lookup tables. So again, we're going to replace with adapter. We're going to find HCM. Let's type it in there, Oracle HCM Cloud. There we go. And we're going to add one more, and this is going to be right now. Oracle Service Cloud right now. Okay, there you go. And then we're going to add some values to each adapter. So you might do, for Eloqua, you might want UK, like this. And for HCM Cloud, you might want United Kingdom. But for right now, you might want it to be Britain or Great Britain. We can add an extra value in, and we can add another country code. So it might be the US. Yeah, a country code for the US, and then we have the full name, all the characters written out there, so United States, or we might say USA or America if you if you wanted to say it like that. Probably just USA for this one. And now we can say that's it. That's the lookup table created for our country codes. You could continue and add all 200 countries if you want, but that'd be a bit of a long video. So I'm just going to go ahead and save. Lookup table was successfully saved. And then if we go back, we can see that the lookup is now added to our lookup table list. So now, even though every country will be listed in different ways in each application, they're all maps to each other as the same variable, the same data point in lookup table. And that's it for this video.